Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can increase your intelligence on Bloxburg. Let me just make my bed first because it's annoying to look at. So to increase your intelligence, you'll need to read a book or a magazine or newspaper. Can I turn it off, please? Thank you. So I don't know where I put books. I don't have a lot of books here. Okay, I do have one in the kitchen. Select take, and I'm just going to read on the couch here. Maybe I should turn this off. Hold on. And just set and press use, and it's going to increase your intelligence skills. Well, your intelligence, as you can see, I don't read that much in this game or in real life. So that is how you can increase your intelligence on Bloxburg. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!